Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean calcium off aquarium glass. Hard water often leaves behind unsightly mineral deposits, also known as limescale, on your tank's glass. This buildup can make it difficult to enjoy your aquatic environment. We'll focus on the most effective and safest methods to restore clarity to your aquarium. Let's get started on making your tank sparkle again. The most reliable method involves using white vinegar, a mild acid that safely dissolves calcium. For best results, you'll want to lower your tank's water level below the calcium line. Apply vinegar directly to the deposits, letting it soak for 10 to 20 minutes. Then, carefully use a new razor blade or an aquarium-specific scraper to gently lift away the softened calcium. Remember to avoid silicone seals. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying these cleaning tips, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Speaking of keeping things spotless, why not upgrade your home cleaning with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier. Check the description for a link to this amazing product and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Safety is paramount when cleaning your aquarium. Always move your fish to a temporary holding tank before applying any cleaning solutions. After cleaning, rinse the tank thoroughly, at least 3 or 4 times, to eliminate all vinegar traces. To prevent future calcium buildup, consider using distilled water for topping off evaporated water, as it contains no minerals. This simple step can save you a lot of cleaning effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.